Hi, I'm Gray Parks, Equine Specialist for Tennessee Farmers Cooperative, here with today's Co-op Minute on helping your horse grow a healthy, long tail. There are three important aspects of caring for your horse's tail to ensure optimum hair growth. They are good nutrition, keeping the tail clean, and keeping it detangled. Horses have to grow hair by taking in quality nutrition, particularly protein, vitamins, and minerals. So ensure your horse is on a balanced diet and eating the recommended minimum amount on the bag. Keep your horse's tail clean by washing it and either keeping it up in a bag or checking it daily to ensure that you don't accumulate sweat, manure, or mud, which can cause the horse to itch its tail and lose hair. And finally, keep the hair tangle-free and neat so that you can ensure that the horse doesn't catch its tail on anything and tear hairs out. So by keeping your horse well fed and keeping his tail clean and tangle-free, you can help him grow a healthy, long, beautiful tail. Thank you for joining me for this Co-op Minute. Check back next week for more tips.